Today's session we are going to learn about soft gelatin capsules. These are also called as soft gels. They comprises a liquid or a semi-solid preparation inside a capsule that is formed in a single step encapsulation process. That means they are mainly used to formulate the liquid or a semi-solid. In the processing step also, there is only a single step involved in the encapsulation. They have so many advantages like they increases the rate of absorption. As a result, there will be increases in the extent of bioavailability. At the same time, they improves the patient adherence and consumer preference. Compared to other dosage forms like tablets, the patient compliance is more for soft gelatin capsules. Why? Because means if there is a drug with unpleasant odor and a taste, it is difficult for the patient to swallow. So at that time we will compound that medicine as a soft gels. So as a result there will be a more patient compliance. So there is no need of any medical supervision compared to parenterals. So it is a highly economical dosage form compared to other dosage forms. It improves the manufacturing safety for the potent and cytotoxic drugs. At the same time, it improves the manufacturing ability of the lower melting point and low dose drugs. So if any drug containing lower melting point or a low dose is there, at that time we will approach this type of formulation. There are number of fill formulation approaches which can be used, which includes suspensions, solutions using hydrophilic or lipophilic excipients, or mixers, emulsions, semi-emulsifying microemulsions, nanoemulsions. Description of the soft gelatin capsule dosage forms. It mainly consists of liquid or a semi-solid matrix inside a one-piece outer gelatin shell. That is, it mainly consists of a gelatin shell outside and inside it has a film matrix. The drug compound itself may be either in solution or in a semi-solid or in a suspension in a capsule film matrix. The characteristics of the film matrix may be a hydrophilic, example polyethylene glycols, lipophilic, example triglyceride vegetable oils, or maybe a combination of hydrophilic and a lipophilic ingredients. So this is about the film matrix. And coming to the soft gel capsule shell, which mainly consists of a gelatin, water and a plasticizers. By using these three ingredients, we will prepare a shell. So the shell may be a transparent or a opaque and can be colored and flavored if desired. The soft gels can be coated with intrigue resistant or delayed release coating materials. So coming to the shape, so any shape of the soft gel can be made. Oval or oblong shapes are usually selected for oral administration. These soft gels can be formulated and manufactured to produce a number of different drug delivery systems. They include oral administered soft gels. So they mainly consist of solutions or suspensions that releases their content in the stomach in an easy to swallow and convenient unit dosage forms. Observe the soft gel capsules here. And then chewable soft gels, which are highly flavored shell in chewed to release the drug liquid film matrix. The drug may be present in both the shell and in the film matrix here. And then third one is suckable soft gels, which mainly consists of a gelatin shell containing the flavored medicament to be sucked and a lower matrix or just air inside the capsule. And another one is twist off soft gels, so which are designed with a tag to be twisted or snipped off, thereby allowing access to the film material. Here, this type of soft gels can be used for the unit dose of topical medication, inhalation or oral dose of the pediatric products. So we observe the diagram here. There is a small twist at the bottom of the soft gel in order to expel the drug from the gel. Manufacturing of the soft gels. Soft gels were used in the 19th century as a means of administering the bitter tasting or liquid medicines. These are manufactured individually by preparing a small sack of gelatin and allow it to set. Each sack of the gelatin shell was filled with the medicament and heat sealed. So this is the clear-cut information of the sealing of the capsule. Here in this method, sealing of the two sheets of the gelatin film between the pair of the matching flat brass dies. So each die containing the pockets into which the gelatin sheet was pressed and which were filled with the medicaments. This is how we will insert the medicament into the gelatin sheets. After that, the pressure between the two plates enable individually capsules to be cut off from the die mold. These capsules were subsequently dried. This is how we will prepare the soft gelatin capsules. However, it was not until the invention of the rotary die encapsulation machine by Robert in 1933 so that liquid film capsules could be manufactured on the production scale. Here, the speed and the efficiency of the manufacturing process improves greatly in recent years. So here is the layout of the capsule machine. It has a two die rolls which are contra rotating one, and at the top there is a gelatin ribbon. So these gelatin ribbons will come from two sides like this and they will meet at the wedge here like this. So here is a filling chamber, that is filling material is filled here, and at the bottom we will collect the soft gelatin capsules like this. So this is the layout of the soft gelatin capsule machine. So before encapsulation process occurs, two processes are often performed simultaneously, yielding the two components of the soft gels. They are, so the first one is the gel mass, which will provide the soft gel shell, and the second step is film matrix for the soft gel content. So before going to the encapsulation process, there are two sub processes like gel mass preparation and film matrix preparation. The first process is gel mass preparation. In this, take a gelatin and add a water under vacuum at 80 degrees centigrade. To this, add a plasticizers like glycerol. So after the complete dissolution of the gelatin, add a opacifiers and a flavors if any to the content. Then we will get a hot gel mass. Then it is supplied to the encapsulation machine, which transferred to the pipes. By casting method, we will get a two ribbons of gelatin sheets. So during the casting process, what will happen means the gelatin passes through salt gel transition and thickness of the each gel ribbon is controlled in a range from 0.5 mm to 1.5 mm. So here the thickness of the gel ribbon is checked regularly during the manufacturing process. The two gel ribbons are then carried through the rollers and onwards to the rotary die encapsulation toolings. So here each gel ribbons provides one half of the soft gelatin capsule. So it is possible to make a bicolored soft gels using a gel ribbons of two different colors also here. So this is about the soft gel mass preparation, and the next one is the liquid film matrix. The liquid film matrix, mainly containing the active drug substance, is manufactured separately from the preparation of the molten gel. Here the manufacturing of the active film matrix involves simply dispersing or dissolving the drug substance in non-aqueous liquid vehicle using a convenient mixtures or homogenizers. Here number of parameters are controlled during the preparation of the film matrix. Example, oxygen sensitive drugs are protected by mixing under vacuum or inert gas. In some cases, antioxidant components are added to the formulation to prevent the oxidation. In case of suspensions, film matrix, it is important to ensure the particle size, so its range not be exceed 200 microns. So control the particle size range of the preparation is needed for the suspension type of film matrix. Coming to the process, First, accurately meter volume of the liquid film matrix are injected from the wedge devices into the space between the gelatin ribbons as they pass between the counter-rotating die rolls. Clear? So during the injection of the film material into the gelatin sheet, we will get some small pocket like space. So in that space, the material to be filled is captured. So by gentle movements of these rotating dies, the capsule gets sealed. Okay. And the wedge shaped injection system is itself heated to approximately 40 degrees centigrade. The injection of the liquid between the ribbons forces the gel to expand into the pockets of the dies, which grooves the size and the shape of the soft gelatin capsules. Here the ribbon continues to flow past the heated wedges injected systems and is pressed between the die rolls. Then the two halves of the soft capsules are sealed together by applying of a pressure heat here. And then capsules are cut automatically from the gel ribbon. So this is how we'll get the soft gels. So after manufacturing, the capsules are passed through the tumble dryer and then to complete the drying process. So they are spread on the trays and dried by supplying of air at approximately 20% humidity. Here this tunnel drying process may take 2 to 3 days or 2 weeks depending on the formulation of the soft gel. Finally, soft gels are inspected and packed into a bulk containers in order to protect drying and for storage. Coming to the formulation of the soft gels, gelatin shell formulation, gelatin, plasticizers, water. So here the first one is gelatin. A number of large different gelatin shell formulations are available depending on the nature of the liquid film matrix. Here most commonly used gelatin is type B gelatin, that is alkali process, that is base process gelatin. It mainly contains 40% of the wet molten gel mass. Sometimes type A gelatin is also be used. The next one is plasticizers. They are used to make the soft gel shell elastic and pliable. So they are usually accounts for 20 to 30% of the wet gel formulations. Example, glycerol, sorbitol, propylene glycol, glycerol. So all these are the plasticizers are needed to be incorporated in the preparation of the soft gels. The choice of the plasticizer mainly controls the hardness of the preparation, which mainly affects the dissolution and disintegration of the capsule later. It mainly ensures that there is a minimum interaction between the liquid film matrix and a soft gel shell. And another one is the water. Water usually accounts for 30 to 40% of the wet gel formulation, and its presence is important to ensure the proper processing during the gel preparation and soft gel encapsulation. Here the level of the water is important for the physical stability of a soft gels. Between in hard storage conditions, soft gels will become either so soft and fuse together or too hard and brittle. So control the level of the water. So sometimes you use colorants. They are mainly soluble dyes or insoluble pigments are needed to be preferred. The colorants can be either a synthetic or a natural ones are used in order to improve the shell color for the product identification. Opacifiers, these are mainly used in low concentration in a wet gel formulation. Opacifiers usually titanium dioxide is used in order to improve or to produce the opaque shell when the fill formulation is suspension or emulsion to prevent the photo degradation of your light sensitive fill ingredients. So we will use this opacifiers. So titanium dioxide when alone is used, it will give a white opaque shell. If it is used with a coloring agent, we will get a colored opaque shell. Types of soft gel materials, there may be a lipophilic liquid oils which includes triglycerides, vitamin D, drug suspensions in oils, hydrophilic liquids like PGE 400, polyvinyl pyrrolidins. They mainly enhances the solubility for the drugs like ibuprofens. So use these type of fill materials for the preparation of the soft gelatin capsules. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos.